This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an eye disability certificate. First, it's essential to understand the specific eligibility requirements in your region. Next, schedule a comprehensive eye examination with a certified ophthalmologist. They will assess your vision and provide a detailed medical report. This report is a crucial first step, documenting the nature and extent of your visual impairment, which is fundamental for your application process. Once you have your medical report, the next step is to collect all required supporting documents. This typically includes proof of identity, such as a national ID card, and proof of address. You will also need to fill out the official application form completely. Ensure you have 2 or 3 recent passport-sized photographs ready, as these are usually a mandatory part of the application package. With all your documents prepared, submit your application package to the relevant government department or disability services office. It is highly recommended to make and keep copies of everything you submit for your own records. Be prepared for potential follow-up medical assessments or interviews, which may be part of the evaluation process to confirm your eligibility for the certificate. After your application is processed and approved, you will receive your official eye disability certificate. This important document serves as proof of your visual impairment and unlocks access to a range of government benefits and support programs. These can include financial assistance, educational support, and concessions on public services. Explore the specific advantages available in your area to maximize your support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.